Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emotion in ElevenLabs. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So you want to come on this page, have your voice chosen and also have the voice settings and your sentence written out. So this would sound like originally.
I can't believe you've done this.
Sounds okay, but it sounds a little bit monotone. So what we can do is we can just lower the stability to around 15.
I can't believe you've done this.
As you can see, low stability may sound a little bit crazy sometimes, but keep playing around with it so you get what you want.
I can't believe you've done this. I can't believe you've done this.
There you go. Something like that sounds pretty good. These settings will depend on where the voice you're using, so keep playing around with it and adjust it to match exactly what you're looking for. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.